This is the multifunctional electric cleaning brush. I'm actually a little bit embarrassed to admit how excited I am about this and how excited I was when I bought it and before it came. And now I'm even more excited after using it. So I've always been eyeing something like this, and I was so happy with this particular one. It comes with so many attachments, so corners, a really good scrub brush, even windows, your car, buffing. You know, there's even a Brillo brush. I mean, you can clean everything in your house with this. So the battery life is amazing. You can turn it on just like this. I was just cleaning my shower earlier today. So you can adjust the setting. There's a high powered one and then a lower powered one. It does come with a charging cable, which I haven't even had to use yet. And then there's an extender. So I use it like this if I'm really getting in there. But if you're trying to get more leverage and using it, or you're trying to get somewhere that's harder to reach, you can just screw it on just like this. You can have it at this setting, or you can even extend it this far. So I'm like thinking about all the different things I can clean in my house now, the grout being one of them. I love this corner one too, because in the bathroom, when I was using this one, it was harder to get in there. So this is a really great option for that too. Again, I am super excited about this, and I know you will be too. I guess it's like an adult thing to have to want to clean and be excited about the different tools you can use, but definitely check this one out.